Welcome to Coastal Art Studio's Christmas workshop, where I'll be showing you how to print your own Christmas cards using a jigsaw printing technique. First, sketch out some design ideas. Then trace over your chosen drawing with a pencil. Fold some cards ready to print on. Use a variety of coloured and textured cards. Cut a foam sheet smaller than the card. Transfer your drawing onto the foam sheet. Now draw over the lines. Press the pencil down to make deep marks in the foam. Cut the image up into sections. This makes a jigsaw of your drawing. Cut up a pile of scrap newsprint. This will keep your work surface clean. Roll out different colours of printing inks onto perspex sheets or glass. Roll coloured inks onto jigsaw pieces. Place the inked piece into position onto the card. Throw away inky paper scraps as you go. Roll each piece using a different colour of ink. Use different rollers for each colour. Cover the card with clean paper. Roll the jigsaw print with a clean roller. Press down onto the print with the roller. Peel each section of the jigsaw. Finally, reveal your printed card. Here are some other cards I've made from these sketches. I really hope you have fun trying this out for yourself, and thank you so much for watching, and Happy Christmas!